Hello, selling our Cherokee 2019 304 BS. It's a rear bunkhouse. Slides on both sides. Nice outdoor kitchen. Refrigerator, ice maker. Everything fully functioning. Still works real nice. Our outdoor storage. Do have an equalizer 304. Sorry, equalizer E4, 12,000 pound. No distribution hitch if needed. Quick disconnect added. 2 20-pound propane tanks. Electric winch. Jack. Slide toppers on all 3 slides. So great condition, no problems there. I did add a spare tire carrier underneath. It's been nice to get it off the back of the camper. 6-gallon outdoor water heater. Take you inside and show you inside. Nice fridge. Freezer. The wife added some decor to it. Looks nice. Queen size bed up front. Sorry for the movie. Storage. Does have storage, full storage underneath the bed. I'm not going to lift it right now, because then the phone will be all over the place. Working fireplace. Works very nice in the winter. We pretty much heat the whole camper with just that. Bathroom. Added new faucets, toilet paper holder, bath towel holder, shower. Added a new shower head to it. The other one was junk. Camper is fully winterized right now. These lay down into queen size beds on both sides. It's massive. It's massive area back here. Kids really enjoy it. Or if we bring other adults. It's a nice place for kids or even the adults to come hang out. We added some shades back here. It makes it kind of nice for the skylights when you're trying to sleep. Little cupboard here. Plenty of storage. Underneath the kitchen has the long slide out drawers. And then on the back side there, it has storage as well. Underneath the main love seat or whatever, storage underneath. That's about it. 2019 304 BS. Thank you.